We are demonstrating the new BTI Easy Clean tube sheet assembly. First, we're going to install the gasket. The gasket simply slides in on top of the alignment studs. No more dealing with alignment of the gasket, the tube sheet, and the bolt holes. Simply snaps into place and is held in place while we put the tube sheet in place right after. Right, we're demonstrating the new BTI Easy Clean tube sheet installation. You simply set the tube sheet down on the alignment pins, and with a quick twist, it drops right into place. With the tube sheet in place, we take the cam lanyard, simply align the cams, get them locked into the studs, and with the same handle used for the bottom drop and the easy open, you just cam them closed. This prevents the need again with fighting with studs and alignment and bolts, and prevents any risk of twisting and shearing bolts off during installation or removal. Once the cams are held down, the tube sheet's held firmly in place. At this point, the tube sheet's fully installed. Tube sheet removal, as simple as unlatching the cams. Again, we use the same handle as the bottom drop T and easy open. Once the cams are released, pull the cam lanyard out, set it aside, and pull the complete tube and tube sheet assembly out for cleaning. It's that simple.